Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on the top 5 richest women in India. Top 5 Indian women billionaires of 2020. It begins with a 38-year-old Roshni Nadar Malhotra, the only daughter of Shiv and Kiran Nadar, became the first woman to head a listed Indian IT services company after her father, HCL founder and chairperson, handed over the company's reins to her. According to Forbes, the world's real-time billionaires list are the richest women in the country with a collective net worth of $15.3 billion. Here are the 5 richest women in India. Number 1 is Savitri Jindal, 70-year-old whose net worth is $5.8 billion. Savitri Jindal is a former chairperson of Jindal Steel and Power. The company enjoys a dominant presence in the sector of steel, power, mining, and infrastructure. According to Forbes, after the death of the company's founder Om Prakash Jindal in 2005, his wife and the matriarch of the family, Savitri Jindal, took charge of the group companies, which are today run by her 4 sons. She also took charge of the late Jindal's political constituency and was elected as a cabinet minister of Haryana government in 2013. He held the office for Minister of State for Revenue and Disaster Management, Consolidation, Rehabilitation and Housing, as well as the Minister of State for Urban, Local Bodies and Housing. The number 2 is Kiran Mazumdar Shaw, who is 67-year-old and the net worth is $4.3 billion. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is the founder and executive chairperson of Biocon, a fully integrated biopharmaceutical company headquartered in Bangalore. It strives to enhance affordable access to complex therapies for chronic conditions such as diabetes, cancer, and autoimmune. She founded the company in 1978 and is among India's richest self-made business tycoons. According to Forbes, Biocon was the first company to gain approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration for two different biosimilar of drug used in certain cancer treatments. Notably, Kiran Mazumdar Shah is also the recipient of 2 national honors, that is Padma Bhushan in the year 2005 and Padma Shri in 1989, along with a host of international recognitions, including Knight of the National Order of the French Legion of Honor, France's highest civilian award. Number 3 is 70-year-old Smita Krishna Godrej, whose net worth is $2.2 billion. Smita Krishna Godrej hails from one of the India's most well-known business family, the Godrej clan. According to Forbes, she owns 1/5 stake in the family assets, while her daughter Nairika Holkar is the executive director of Godrej and Boys Manufacture Company Limited (GNB). She leads the company and its subsidiaries' digital strategy, brand, legal, and merger acquisition department. Number 4 is Leena Tiwari, who is 62-year-old and its net worth is $1.8 billion. Leena Tiwari is the chairperson of USV Private Limited, is an Indian multinational pharmaceutical and biotechnology company based in Mumbai, India. This pharma company was founded by her late father Vittal Gandhi in 1961. She is a well-known philanthropist and was placed at 23rd on Hurun India Philanthropist List 2019 for a donation of Rs 34 crore. And the last billionaire is Radha Vembu, who is 48-year-old and net worth is $1.2 billion. Radha Vembu is Zoho Mail's product manager, a designation she hasn't changed since 2007. According to Forbes India, she joined the company, which was founded by her brother as AdventNet in 1996, 12 years ago, and since then has worked very hard to make the private held company a profitable entity. Notably, she holds a graduate degree in industrial management from the elite IIT Madras. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Tata.